Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 76 onwards of Surah Al-Imran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بلى من أوفى بعهده واتقى فإن الله يحب المتقين. Ba is a letter from your lips, and you should press little hard to pronounce ba, but there shouldn't be any wrinkles, or you shouldn't bend your lips in to say this ba. So ba is very simple. Just tabaq ala tabaq. Your lips should be on the other. One lip should be on other lip, but there shouldn't be any wrinkle. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound should be short. Ba, la is 2 counts long. Okay, let me take my pen. So this la will be 2 counts long. Man, for fatha, open your jaws. Attach with noon here. There is ibhar, and ibhar will get sifa of tawassut. Aw, hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with wow. This is madli, harfleen, sorry. This is harfleen. Aw, fa. Give hums first and then make it 2 counts long. Fa, b. For kasra, give e sound. Ain should be from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of raqawa, and it should be from your throat, last part of your throat. B, D for kasra, give e sound. D, 2 counts long. What for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with ta. What ta? Ta is short. Qaf is heavy and 2 counts long. Fa, there should be hums on fa. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. In for kasra, give e sound. Attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is gunna akmal, so the sound should stay in your nose for a longer period of time. فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ Lafz Jalala will be heavy here. Why? Because you can see Fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ Ha is short. You for Dhamma, circle your lips. Your ya should be very soft. The sound is very short. You hib for kasra, give e sound attached with ba. Ba is very sharp letter. Hib Bul for Dhamma, circle your lips. Attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Bul mut for meme, circle your lips. And because there is Dhamma on top, mut, and ta is very sharp letter. Mutta, mutta. There shouldn't be any flow of breath here. The sound is very sharp. Muttaqeen. Qaf will be heavy and it will be 4 counts long. And when you will stop on noon, it will get sifa of tawassut. إن الذين يشترون بعهد الله وأيمانهم ثمنا قليلا أولئك لا خلاق لهم في الآخرة ولا يكلمهم الله ولا ينظر إليهم يوم القيامة ولا يزكيهم ولهم عذاب أليم. In Hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give e sound attached with noon. Noon you get sifa of gunna, and this is gunna akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a long time, and then attach with lam. Inna la is short. The 2 counts long. Na short. Yesh for ya. Ya is very soft letter. There shouldn't be sound here. Yesh. Sheen will get safa of raqawa. Yesh. That is short. Ru is 2 counts long and it is heavy. Na short. B for kasra give E sound. Ain should be from your throat. And for fatha open your jaws. You and how will get raqawa. B. Deal for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lafz jalala will be light here because you can see kasra before it. Dillahi. He is short. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Ay, hamza is very sharp, attached with ya. Ya is very light and give 2 counts long because this is harf lean. Ay, ma is 2 counts long. Ni for kasra give ni. For kasra give E sound. Him for kasra give E sound again and then attach with meme. You will get sifa of the wasut. Th short, ma short, nang. This is ikhfa, a heavy ikhfa because qaf is among heavy letters. Nang, qa is short, li 2 counts long, lan idhar, and idhar will get sifa of the wasut. Hamza is very sharp. The sound is very short. Can you see this zero at the top of waw? It means you are not pronouncing it or you are not considering it as a long vowel. So Hamza is very short. Dhamma is, for Dhamma, circle your lips. And for Hamza, give very sharp sound. La, 4 counts long. E. Hamza is very sharp. The sound is, kasra is E. E. Ka is short. La, 2 counts long. Kho is heavy. And the sound is short. La, 2 counts long. Kho is short. Khala, la, short. Hum, for the circle your lips. As soon you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. And meme will get sick off. Tawassul. Feel for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa off. Tawassul. Feel Hamza is very sharp and it has 2 counts long. Khi is heavy for kasra give E sound or ra is heavy for fatha open your jaws and ra is short. Khi ra ti is short. Wa for wow circle your lips for fatha open your jaws. La 2 counts long. You yeah, it's very soft here for Dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. You kel for kaf is attached with lam. For kasra give E sound. Kelli mu for meme. Dhamma, circle your lips. Hu circle your lips. Mu hu mullahu. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is heavy here because there is dhamma before it. And this is long by default. Mullahu, who is short for the circle lips. Wa la 2 counts long. Yang, this ikhfa is heavy because ba is among heavy letters. Yang wu for the circle lips. Ru ra is heavy. The sound is short. E for kasra is E sound. Hamza is very sharp. The sound is very short. E lay 2 counts long. Him for kasra give E sound attached to meme. You will get sifa of tawassut. Ya is soft and this is lean letter. It will take 2 counts long. Mal. Give tawassut on lam. Mal. Qaf is short for kasra give E sound. Yeah. Again, yeah, it's very soft. There shouldn't be U sound in yeah. Your tongue is lifting up towards palate, but it's not touching it. So yeah. Ma is short. Ti short. Wala you. Yeah, again, very softly pronounced. And for Dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. You, Z, there should be a very Z sound here. Z, ki, 2 counts long. Him, for kasra give E sound attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawasut. short, short, for the circle your lips, attach with me gets a cough the wasset, I'm from your throat, that becomes long, bun, tawassut, sifab, tawassut will be there because there is ilhar, a sharp sound, put open your jaws, lean, four counts long, and we will get sifa of tawassut. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين